I think that you can help us to make our plan for the future and for the new vision for Belgrade.
New technologies, new phenomena, they change the nature of the problem itself. But then the work of leadership is creating integrative solutions. Because it's not about negotiation, it's about understanding. And then creating something new out of this new understanding.
If you don't know what the more business or societal problem you're trying to solve, the technology implementation isn't going to fix it.
Women's group, retired people, one of the points we stressed is really enlarging the ecosystem, messaging to them what is smart cities like Belgrade look like, and elevating the good results.
There is a lot of discussion of tools and tech, there's a lot of discussions of community, and then there is a missing middle, which we feel is agencies, governance.
For me, I mean, if you tell me what's a smart city, I mean, it's smart urban planning, it's smart urban management and service delivery, and it's smart citizen engagement and co-creation.
The only way to go forward is to co-create and co-design, because this is what complex adaptive systems are all about. They are living organisms.
What is happening with my data? Who's collecting it? Who will have access to it? I need to trust the system. I need transparency.
How do we actually engage citizens in the change? And actually, how does the whole ecosystem of private sector actors also need to change?
This conversation is not about the short term of data. It's the long-term conversation of building capacity. So when you're no longer the mayor, and I'm no longer here, we have left capacity.